Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to Chuzhou Olympic Park front yard. And I have my M2 from OMPHOBBY. It's been a really long time I didn't fly it. I'm not even sure if the batteries are good. But let's give it a try. Let's see how it goes. And if I'm gonna crash it or not. So here we go. Enjoy your time. Blade is scrapping because I'm totally out of practice. I feel it's bogging down. For the very first time, I feel it's actually bogging down. Why? It never actually did this. See? So strange. Batteries are fully charged. I remember that. So I have no idea what's going on. Punching full throttle. Don't go too far. Yeah, at full pitch, it's actually bogging. Dang, why? It's just like going out of power. See? See? I am unable to control it. So I'm just gonna land it, man. I think because of winter, the M2 batteries are completely don't want to behave anymore. Or maybe my poor M2 is getting old. This thing should not bog. That's direct drive motors. And if it is bogging, the only reason is the batteries and the winter, because in winter all the batteries will perform at their worst. I can tell you that. So I can just fly it around and have fun with it, just like this. It's been really long that I flew helicopters, and it's fun to be back with the helicopters. So anyway, I'm not gonna torture the batteries more. Can you track me? Come on, track me. Oh, do not walk on that, do not walk on that. Just keep tracking me. I'm going around tracking. Okay, so how was that? Thank you for watching this little flight. And stay tuned for Flywing FW450 V2 has just arrived. PNP version. The helicopter is improved. Flight controller has been improved. That's what factory told me. And it has a new tail installing mechanism. You can remove the tail anytime you want and put it back in. It's really sweet. New looks. Very nice improved model. And I'm gonna review it. And I got the PNP version. That means I'm gonna set it up with my all new golden custom, yes baby, custom golden Radiomaster TX16S coming very soon. So stay tuned for how to set up Flywing FW450 V2 PNP helicopter with Radio Master TX16S, and flight of that GPS helicopter. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.